Howdy. If you own one of these, I feel for you. We have been trying to get this thing to work properly, and as you can see, it's relatively new. This has been replaced. We took this apart, which is the valve that holds back the pressure from inside the tank. We've taken the head apart. Valves look good. This is functioning properly. But what's happening is the head pressure is not being released from the head, and that's why it won't start. So if you're experiencing that, what we did is we loosened up this nut here. This one. Just keep it loose. It's a little hot right now, but just keep that one loose, and it starts up every time. Now the only thing I can think of is this valve, which holds back the pressure from inside the tank, might be leaking, and it's constantly putting pressure back into the head. That might be why this helps the compressor to start up. But that we spent so much time on this thing and money that was the last thing that we tried. So, but that definitely works. Fires up every time. I got it up to what, almost 140. Not supposed to, but it ain't blown up yet. So, if you have one of these, that's what we did. Happy trails. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.